Hi, my name is Willie van Roy, and today, guys, I want to talk to you about an exciting opportunity. And the opportunity I want to talk to you about is called Triple M. Now, Triple M has got a membership participants of 138 million people worldwide. Triple M is in 107 countries and it has been operating for 4 years. It is the largest exchange network in the world, and it's all about people helping people. It has got nothing to do with a bank or a financial institutions of that sort. This is really your own business. So what we ask everybody is to treat it like a business. The only difference and main difference is that we help each other. Not like a traditional business where only the owner gets help by people, which are really slaves, working for him and building his dream. So don't you think it's time that you start building your own dream? In the Triple M community, you can. Now, let's look at the ideology of Triple M. The whole idea with Triple M is to move away from banks and financial institutions. We are really slaves to these institutions because they use our money to enrich themselves while they at the same time charge us exuberant fees to keep our money with them, like bank charges, admin fees, and things like that. And while they will pay you around 6 to 7% per year if you keep your money in their bank, they charge us, their clients, around 12 to 15% if we have a loan with them. So as you can see, this is really a slave-driven system that we need to get away from, and Triple M is the vehicle that we use to do it with. In Triple M, there are no bank charges, there are no fees. You are completely in charge of your own money, while at the same time you earn 30% per month on your money in Triple M. So how does Triple M work? When you become a participant in Triple M, you only use your spare money. When you put your money in the Triple M community system, it will generate what we call Mavros. Now those Mavros will grow in the Triple M community system at 30% per month. Now can you imagine that? Where will you ever find something grow at 30% per month? Will you find it at a bank? No. Will you find it at a financial institution? No, you will not. Now, the way it works is that you first have to provide help to others in the Triple M community. And after you have provided help, you can get help from others in the same community. You will donate to you. You will also receive bonuses from Triple M of people that you have personally introduced to the Triple M community that participates. Now, obviously, in any business or any opportunity, there are rules. Now, the rules in Triple M are the following. You are only allowed to have one account. All right? If you are asked to provide help, then you must provide help to someone else as soon as possible. There is a time limit, but you will see that on the Triple M system. Now, after making the payment to that participant, whoever you donated to, then you must confirm this on the system. It works the same way if you ask for help. You must confirm that you have received it in your bank account on the Triple M system. So now you may ask, what is in it for me? Okay, so let's look at that. By helping others, you will also receive help. Triple M is a system of giving. Today, I help you, and tomorrow I will receive help. Your money grows by 30% per month, which is just unheard of in traditional financial institutions and other financial vehicles. So if you are a team builder, you can build your own team if you become a manager. Now, by becoming a manager and building a team, your earnings will skyrocket, and the sky is not even the limit. This is really the way to financial freedom. If you have been dreaming and hoping that you would become financially free and have the time to do the things you always wanted to do, then Triple M is your opportunity. Now, if you want to get more information, you are welcome to contact me. My number is on the screen, or you could even visit my Triple M website, which is also on the screen. All I can say is take part in this opportunity. It will really change your life.